Welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of quick revision of medicine. So let's get started. Iron deficiency anemia. Commonest cause of anemia in India. Increased iron absorption is seen in iron deficiency anemia, pregnancy, hypoxia, acidic pH of stomach, and ferrous iron salts. Causes of iron deficiency anemia: hookworm, celiac sprue, carcinoma colon. Features diagnostic of iron deficiency anemia: decreased serum ferritin, increased TIBC. Earliest sign of iron deficiency anemia: decrease in serum ferritin. Most sensitive and specific test for diagnosing iron deficiency anemia is serum ferritin levels. Hypochromic may be preceded by microcytosis. Next is megaloblastic anemia. Causes are aortic aciduria, liver disease, fish tapeworm infestation, drugs, folate antagonists, and phenytoin. Hematological findings: multisegmented nuclei, anisocytosis, poikilocytosis, pancytopenia. It is associated with SACD of spinal cord, tongue in vitamin B12 deficiency, macroglossia, and atrophic glossitis. Next is hemolytic anemia. Features are increased reticulocyte count, increased serum LDH level, decreased serum hepatoglobin level. Next is sickle cell anemia. Pathology is replacement of glutamate by valine at 6 beta chain of HbA. Most common symptom: acute presentation is bone pain. Other features are cardiomegaly, fish mouth vertebra, etc. Hematological findings: hemosidenuria, leukocytosis, target cells. Thrombotic crisis, painful crisis, or vaso-occlusive crisis is precipitated by infection, dehydration, deoxygenation. Aplastic crisis is caused by infection with parvovirus. Next is hereditary spherocytosis. It assessed by raised osmotic fragility of the RBC. Basic pathology: defect in ankyrin. It binds protein 3 and spectrum. Mutation in protein 3 and mutations of spectrin. It is a pallidin defect. Management is splenectomy. Next is polycythemia rubra vera. This is hyperviscosity, thrombosis, bleeding, normal erythropoietin levels, and raised LAP score. Prognosis: may progress to acute leukemia. Tumors associated with polycythemia is hypernephroma and hepatoma. Next is von Willebrand disease. Most common inherited bleeding disorder. Features are prolonged bleeding time, normal prothrombin time. Management is cryoprecipitate. Next is Hodgkin's lymphoma. Epstein-Barr virus may be the causative in some cases. Malignant cells is Reed-Sternberg cell. Reed-Sternberg cells are positive for CD15 and CD30 except lymphocytic predominant. Central nervous system involvement is uncommon. Cerebellar degeneration is seen. Most common type is nodular sclerosis. Most common type in India is mixed cellularity. Histogenetically, different subtype: lymphocytic predominant, negative for CD15, CD30, and positive for CD20. Features of lymphocytic predominant: it shows popcorn cells. It have best prognosis. Regimens used ABVD and MOPP. Next is SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. Musculoskeletal finding: non-erosive arthritis, renal manifestations, papillary necrosis, wire loop lesions. Most common cause of death is renal involvement. Hematological manifestations are autoimmune hemolytic anemia, cold antibodies, mild thrombocytopenia, pancytopenia, etc. Pulmonary system findings: cavitation, pulmonary fibrosis, shrinking lungs, and polyserositis. Specific antibody for SLE is anti-double-stranded DNA and anti-Smith bodies. Next is polymyositis. no involvement of extraocular and facial muscles, no cutaneous manifestations, proximal limb muscles are involved, phalangeal muscles are involved, pain is a feature and raised. Next is Duchenne muscle dystrophy. It is inherited disease, X-linked recessive inheritance. Defects lies in dystrophin gene and sacrolamel protein defect. Features pseudo-hypertrophy of muscles, Gower's sign, patient while standing tries to climb on himself. Next is myasthenia gravis. Decreased myo-neural junction transmission. Features are dysarthria, dysphagia, proximal muscle weakness. Sensory modalities and deep tendon reflexes are normal. Most common used cholinergic drugs, pyridostigmine and neostigmine. Surgical procedures should be done in all cases, thymectomy. Next is Helicobacter pylori, more prevalent in developing countries. URL is pH-gated urea channel in Helicobacter pylori. Associated conditions gastritis, gastric carcinoma, peptic ulcer disease and gas ulcers. Most common site of Cushing's ulcer is distal duodenum. Most common site of peptic ulcer is first part of duodenum. Curling's ulcer is Strell's ulcers after burns. Most common complication of peptic ulcer is hemorrhage. Next is celiac disease. Sensitivity to protein gluten associated with myasthenia gravis. Diagnosed by immunology and jejunal biopsy. Findings on jejunal biopsy are villus atrophy, crypt hyperplasia, and thickness of mucosa unaltered. Next disease, ulcerative colitis. It associated with toxic megacolon and pseudopolyps. Next is Crohn's disease. It associated terms skip lesions, creeping fat, antisaccharomyces, Crevisia antibodies. Mainstay of therapy for inflammatory bowel disease, 5-aminosalicylic acid. Next disease, hepatitis. It is reverse transcriptase of HBV is coded by P gene. Hepatitis spreading by fecal-oral route, HAV and HEV. First viral marker to appear after hepatitis B infection is HBsAg. Indicator of intrahepatic viral replication, presence of which marker indicates high infectivity, HBeAg, hepatitis B virus DNA. Recent infection of hepatitis B virus is indicated by immunoglobulin M anti-HBsAg. Hepatitis B virus is associated with polyarteritis nodosa. Agents used treating for HBV is interferon, lamivudine and adifovir. Most common cause of sporadic hepatitis in adults is hepatitis E. Worst prognosis in pregnancy is hepatitis E virus. Treatment of hepatitis C virus is interferon plus ribavirin. Most prone to chronicity is hepatitis C virus. Conditions associated with hepatitis C virus are cryoglobulinemia, glomerulonephritis and arthritis. Next disease, Wilson's disease. It is inherited disease, autosomal recessive. Diagnostic criteria as seroplasmin level less than 20 mg per deciliter plus KF rings. As seroplasmin level less than 20 mg per deciliter plus concentration of copper in liver biopsy sample more than 250 microgram per gram. Dry weight urinary excretion of copper in most symptomatic patients less than 100 microgram copper per day. Features are hepatic dysfunction, eye change, KF rings in Descemet's membrane of cornea. They do not interfere with vision. Neurologic manifestations, no sensory changes. Drug used in penicillamine sensitive patients, triantine. Drug for maintenance therapy is zinc acetate or gluconate. Next disease, diabetic nephropathy. IDDM presentation, usually less than 25-year-old patients. HLA link of NIDDM, no links. Ketoacidosis commoner in IDDM, dawn phenomenon, glucose level rise in early morning, Somogyi effect, Rebound hyperglycemia may appear after 1 to 24 hours after moderate to severe hypoglycemia. Leading cause of end-stage renal disease is diabetic nephropathy. Absence of chest pain in diabetes patients is silent ischemia due to neuropathy. Parameter used to monitor diabetes mellitus control HbA1c. Early test for diabetes mellitus nephropathy, persistent albuminuria, more than 300 mg per deciliter or less than 200 on at least 2 occasions 3 to 6 months apart. Kimmel-Still-Wilson nodule, characteristic histology feature of diabetes nephropathy. Next is nephrotic syndrome. Symptoms are severe proteinuria, increased fibrinogen, platelet activation, and decreased HDL. Minimal change disease causes are it is idiopathic. It can cause by HIV and Hodgkin's disease. Responds well to steroids. Deposition of immunoglobulin A, electron microscopy findings, fusion of food process. Changes on light microscopy, no change. Next disease, hypertension and kidney. Benign hypertension, hyaline atherosclerosis, malignant hypertension, fibrinoid necrosis, renin-dependent hypertension, renovascular hypertension. Most common cause of paroxysmal hypertension is pheochromocytoma. Next disease, hypothyroidism. Features of hypothyroidism are carpal tunnel syndrome, subnormal body temperature, increased sleep, cold intolerance, TSH level increased, drugs associated with hypothyroidism, lithium and amiodarone. Most common cause of congenital hypothyroidism is thyroid genesis. Treatment of childhood hypothyroidism is levothyroxine. Next disease, primary hyperparathyroidism. Most common cause, solitary adenoma. Features are bones, brown tumor, stones, renal calculi, abdominal groans, peptic ulcer, and psychic moans, depression. In blood test, raised of calcium, low phosphate, normal or raised alkaline phosphate is present. Next disease, Addison's disease. Pathology is primary adenocortical insufficiency, metabolic effects, hyperkalemia, hyponatremia and hypoglycemia. Increased pigmentation except in secondary adrenal insufficiency due to pituitary failure. Definitive investigations showed ACTH test. Drug associated with Addison's like features, busulfan. Next disease, Alzheimer's disease. Most common cause of dementia in elderly is Alzheimer's disease. Senile dementia occurs before the age of 60 years. Useful screening test for dementia is minimal mental status examination. Maximum score in mini mental status examination is 30. Next disease is Guillain-Barré syndrome. Ascending type of motor paralysis, areflexia, flaccidity, albuminocytological dissociation present, treatment plasmapheresis and immunoglobulin. Next disease, cerebellar lesion. Manifestations are ataxia asynergia, inability to do movements smoothly and accurately, hypotonia, intention tremor, not resting ones, nystagmus. Next disease, meningitis. Most common cause of neonatal meningitis, gram-positive bacilli, group B streptococcus. Most common cause of meningitis in elderly adults, Streptococcus pneumoniae. In young, Neisseria is the commonest cause. Bacterial meningitis. It is purulent exudate, cloudy CSF, decreased glucose, increased protein concentration and increased neutrophils are present. Viral meningitis, most common cause by enterovirus. Features are lymphocytic pleocytosis, normal glucose level, normal or mildly elevated pressure, and tests are CSF PCR test. Next disease, neurosyphilis. Tract involved dorsal column. Features are sensory loss, Argyll-Robertson pupil, and bladder dysfunction. It is associated with Tabes dorsalis. Next disease, neuropathic joint disease. Most common cause of neuropathic joint disease is diabetes mellitus. Most common joint affected by diabetes mellitus is tarsal joints. Other associated conditions, leprosy, syringomelia, Tabes dorsalis, etc. Conditions resembling Charcot's joint is CPPD deposition. Next disease, Parkinsonism. Features are tremor at rest, worsens with emotional stress, fascinating gait, bradykinesia, decreased blinking, etc. Symptoms of Parkinsonism are due to loss of nerve cells in substantia nigra, pars compacta, and the locus coeruleus midbrain. Drugs causing Parkinsonism are methyldopa, reserpine, thiazides, and metoclopramide. Next disease, subarachnoid hemorrhage. Clinical presentation, 60-year-old patient with severe headache and neck stiffness of abrupt onset. She had never such a severe headache before. She may have photophobia and nausea. Most aneurysm presents as sudden subarachnoid hemorrhage. Occipital and posterior cervical pain may indicate posterior anterior inferior cerebral artery aneurysm, which is rare. Cause of clinical deterioration in a week following is rebleed and vasospasm. Next is brain tumor. Most common brain tumors are astrocytoma. Most common glial tumors, astrocytoma. Most common intracranial tumor, glioma. Most common posterior fossa tumor, astrocytoma. Conditions associated with brain tumor, von Hippel-Lindau syndrome, tuberous sclerosis, etc. Most common tumor associated with neurofibromatosis, optic nerve glioma. Feature of neurofibromatosis. Second is bilateral acoustic neuroma. Craniopharyngioma are derived from Rathke's pouch. Now this is the quick review including probable DNB and NEET PG questions. Radiosensitive lung carcinoma is small cell carcinoma. Lung carcinoma found in peripheral location, adenocarcinoma. Koplik spots are seen in measles. Increased neuromuscular irritability is a feature of hypocalcemia. Paradoxical breathing is seen in diaphragmatic palsy. Kurtzman spirals are seen in asthma. Alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency is associated with pan-acinar emphysema. Investigation of choice for bronchiectasis is high-resolution CT scan. Drug of choice for mycoplasma pneumoniae is erythromycin. Pneumoconiosis associated with sugarcane dust is bagazosis. Investigation of choice for aortic dissection is MRI. Ground glass appearance on chest X-ray is a feature of ARDS. Most common carcinoma causing superior vena cava syndrome is lung carcinoma. Most common manifestation of pulmonary embolism is dyspnea. Barrel-shaped chest is a feature of emphysema. In JVP, a wave is due to atrial contraction. In ECG, P wave is due to atrial depolarization. Drug of choice for PSVT is adenosine. McCallum patch is seen in rheumatic heart disease.